freshly from the family garage, and today we finally took apart my motor.
This is our 1982 318. The carpet looks dog approved. Seats so comfy, lizard approved. Shh, there it is. We don't want to spook it. Oh wait, that one's not going anywhere. But hey, what is that? What are you doing, little guy? Oh, well, he's out of here. Unlike this one, that will not move. The 73 Roadrunner. So, car's currently stuck under the carport here. I would love to have it down there, but unfortunately, it's stuck here. We'll get into why it's stuck here shortly. But first we want to recap on the project, as we haven't worked on this car in quite some time. So we found this car just a few miles down the road through a good friend of ours, Richard. He got the car through a friend. Car's been sitting since about 1983, if I recall. No, looks like 1988 on a 1983 Georgia plate. So other than a few tiny holes here, which is odd because it's remarkably solid right there, and the back bumper, which looks like Swiss cheese in a lot of places, this car is ridiculously solid. I didn't find any other rust in the car at all. That's all surface rust. Looks like there was an old school repair started here from a crease, but it was never filled, never painted. There's a couple pinholes in the lower fender, no big deal. The floor pans are ridiculously solid. The frame rails are beautiful. The car came with some really cool parts. We added a go wing and some chin spoilers in an episode about 6 or 8 months ago. After that, the car sat basically dormant. We moved it around. I did put some new tires on the road wheels that came with the car. Unfortunately, one of them doesn't hold air. That's why you still see it with the wagon wheels on the back. We then went ahead and removed the entire brake system, as well as the fuel system and all associated lines.
Now that you're all cut up, let's build something to fill this hole.
This is our 1982 318. We got this from High Octane Restorations as a core. Said it was in an 82 D100 pickup. It was drove until it just smoked so bad they had to pull it out. It rotates freely. We got all the front runner assembly. This is on the wrong side. But we're going to rip this thing apart, get it over to the machine shop. We've already restored our 340 4-barrel intake. This is you can't read a date code there, but this is a 1970 340 4-barrel intake. Got a spread bore to square bore adapter, the Holley 600 we just took off the Super Bee. We've got 1970 340 exhaust manifolds. But it should be a good time. So I'm gonna get the heathen out here, see if I can get him off the VR headset this morning and get this motor ripped apart. What are you doing?
Or we can just try to just lay it down. Stupid cardboard.
Set that stuff down over there.
He's a hornet nest.
For some reason there's squirrel food in here. Pull it straight off and set it through. don't care how long they've been sitting, there's always water in them. Hey, look, some liquor. Alright, slide this back on it. So we got the 318 down to the machine shop. So far so good with the machining and the checking. Everything looks good. We got ourselves into a little side project here, trying to make some more room. We got hot rods parked all over the property that need to get inside. So when we finally do get to them, they're not all sun-baked. But we do got one more surprise for you before we close this video.
So we have this beautiful interior seats and carpet from
From where?
High Octane Restorations.
Yeah.
And so far it's doggle butt and lizard approved.
What else you got?
A package tray and headliners. We're gonna basically be reinstalling the whole interior.
All right. Someday, we got to get this car down to the shop.
Make sure to like, subscribe, and click the notification bell so you get notified every time we work on the Ratty Roadrunner. Whose phone is going off?
Which is where?
Here.
Oh, this is the Roadrunner?
Yeah.